Hello there. We're here today. We're going to cut the binding channels. I'm going to use this tool here to cut the binding channels for the top. I will repeat that process for the back. I may not show it, but it'll be the same process. What I've got this set up to cut the depth of the thickness of the binding and the height of the binding, which is a 1/4 inch that I want. Everything is screaming sharp. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the thickness on this side, and then I will cut the height on this side, and then I will cut the thickness on the top side. I'll have to readjust, and I will have to turn the grommet around to the curved side to do the waist, but we will do all of the more straight areas first. Then we'll wander around, see what we can do. I may not have to worry about it here because, yeah, this I won't have to worry because I'm registered on this flat part of the guitar. But I want it to go as deep as the binding is going to be thick. At least that's the way I did it last time. You have to understand, I've not really done this but once or on a guitar. And I'm just going to do like light cuts to start things out with. And I'll cut a bit deeper each time. And I'll just go around the guitar, the entirety of the guitar, until I get this done. I'm doing now is I'm going along in this corner because I've been using this file. Take this file and lay it flat. But when I come along here and I feel like that's not square, and I'm going to go along and work this inside corner here so that it is nice and flat and square, because I want that to be square. I'm gonna, instead of doing it flat like this, I'm working on this ledge here, instead of lay it flat like that where it might go down, I'm gonna angle it just slightly. Because what I'm worrying about the most is that inside corner so that the binding will seat. And as right as I can possibly get it. Whoa. And this is basically, I'm using this corner of this chisel like a scraper. Pretty much what I'm doing. Have some marks along the edges of the cedar top from where the bramble ran along. But I mean, I'll do my best to get rid of those as we build. But that's the binding channel all along the top of the guitar. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do the other side the exact same way off camera. And then we'll move on to binding the instrument. Thanks for watching. Bless you. I'll talk to you later.